Pas naman. Galing niya. Ayan. Oh, pagpataya.
A few moments later.
Lugan. Assignment. Suntukan. Ayun si Balak.
Sometimes I am frightened, but I'm ready to learn about the power of